Ahead, we talk of victory and slaughter.
We've got a job to do, so shift your carcass.
Hey now, I didn't ask to be the best. I worked for it.
Okay, so here we go. Test multiple platforms, I don't know. Let's see if this game is worth in mobile.
This is your champion.
I played this in PC. I'm not sure. Only few times. Didn't got much time. So like PUBG or Call of Duty. Is this random? Where should I go? Okay, let's jump. Okay, I'm in leader series. Let's drop at a open area. So I think I have decent shooting skills, but over there are players. So let's drop there.
Let's go this way.
I'm just gonna follow people for the first match. Let's see what happens.
Turbocharger.
What should I pick? I have to pick everything. I don't know what is what.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Or some bomb or something. A gun. I need a gun. I need a gun. Can I have a gun? Where can I find a gun?
Extended sniper mag here. Level 3.
Maybe here. Can I have a gun? Okay. Does this rely on auto refills? I'm not sure. People out there who are experienced in it must be laughing, but this is what it is. I just play and do some relaxing and just try to get views for my. Let's see. I think this guy runs. No, it hunts. Yeah, the other guy which I got for free runs. What is that? A shark kind of thingy. Okay, I spot. I think I can get it something from there. Yeah, gun. Come on.
Let's go this way.
Okay.
Contact. I'm taking the shot.
Reloaded. Contact.
I'm taking the shot. Contact.
Enemy down.
Reloading.
Reloaded.
I'm not sure what all is this, so I'll leave it.
My ultimate is ready.
Still, I
The hunt
think, but
begins.
Stay close to Doc if you're hurting.
let's keep exploring. What is this?
Let's go this way.
I don't know what to get.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
Didn't chef Indian material. Let's just keep moving.
Care package being delivered.
What is this? What?
Reloading.
Where are my teammates? They're here. They're exploring buildings and stuff. So I think I should do that too. Should I check for? I think this guy hunts. So let me see. No, nobody here.
Replicator being delivered. Let's go this way.
Stop hunting mode.
Gonza. Reloading.
Okay, once I can start, I can't.
Another squad coming in. Gonza. Reloading.
Reloading. Jump on us. We got another squad. The enemy.
Reloading.
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 Run.
Reloading.
Did I kill one more? I think that's maybe.
Finish the last of the extended heavy mag here. Level 3. Contact.
Reloading.
Scanning the area. I'm taking the shot. The All-Father blesses me with sons of enemies and their traps. Reloading.
There's one guy, but my hunt is still at 50.
Recharging my shields.
Reloading. Gonza.
Scotty. Reloading. Reloading. Contact.
Deploying health drone. Reloading.
So my teammates are out there. It's not like PUBG or something. It's maybe, I don't know. Guys, I come here to just save you.
Let's go this way.
I don't want to die in first match like this.
My ultimate is ready. The hunt begins. Taking a moment to heal.
Okay, I think I'm kind of getting a hang of it now.
Let's go this way.
Yeah. Guns up. Okay. Let's
Let's go this way. Deploying health drone.
I think all my teammates are also noobs for this game. I can hear some gunfire somewhere. So Let's see.
Contact.
Contact.
Scanning the area.
Okay, let's see.
Scanning the area.
Deploying health drone. Let's go this way.
I think that is a safe
Reloading.
one. Can I talk to him? Like PUBG, can I send him a message or something?
The trails linger. They lead straight to my prey.
Guys, if you can hear me, come in the zone. I think it's something like PUBG or something. I'm also a first time player, but I think it is like that. Come into the zone and then let's stick together.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Scanning the area.
Watch out, brothers. We get another squad.
From where?
Let's go this way.
Which way? Okay. Somebody's firing over there.
Contact.
Scanning the area.
Hold on.
Trusting your fire.
Let's kill people.
I'm taking a shot. Reloading.
Contact.
Gunner hostile on Scotty.
Okay.
I'm taking the shot.
Enemy down. Reloaded. Listen up. Got another squad coming in contact.
Contact.
Don't shield out.
Shooting.
Reloading. Medkit here.
Let's go this contact. Deploying health drone.
Watch out, brothers. We get another squad.
Taking a moment to heal.
Reloading.
Okay, those guys over there. Okay. I think my... Do I have some sniper weapons?
Reloading.
Reloading.
Contact.
Reloaded.
In exchange my weapon.
Contact.
Something please.
Reloading.
Medkit here.
Contact. Reloaded.
Reloading. There is another spot. They are attacking.
Reloading. When I call upon nature's strength, I move.
Contact.
Medkit here.
Reloaded. Listen up.
Extended enemy back here.
Ring in progress.
Battling the enemy.
Contact.
Enemy contact. Shooting.
Reloading.
Care package being delivered.
Okay, I think I'm getting a hang of it. Again.
Replicator being delivered.
And what is that? Let's just keep running, see. Okay, there are pods again here.
Let's go this way. Round 3. Beginning ring countdown. Let's go this way.
Taking a moment to heal.
Let's run. Okay, chat option is from here.
My ultimate is ready. The hunt to be murdered. Just in your fire. Don't feel now. Reloading. I'm taking a shot. Reloading. Silence. We get another squad. I'm taking a shot. Reloading. Scanning the area.
Contact.
That is done.
Reloading.
Okay, I think I'm somewhere between this.
Warning. Movement in progress.
Last one in the squad. Reloading.
Care package being delivered.
Knockdown shield here. Level 3.
Replicator being delivered.
Reloading. Let's go.
Shield battery here.
Automatic pickups. I don't know what works for what. So just sticking with
Battle stave level 3.
limited things. Like my limited game vocab.
Finish the last of that enemy squad.
But that was just standing. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.